Blender 5.0 is a professional free and open-source 3D creation suite used worldwide for animation, visual effects, character design, architecture, product visualization, filmmaking, game development, and advanced creative projects. It includes complete tools for 3D modeling, sculpting, texturing, rigging, and character animation, allowing artists to build anything from simple objects to highly detailed cinematic assets. Blender also offers a powerful rendering system with cycles for photorealistic ray-traced images and Eevee for real-time rendering, making it ideal for both film production and fast previews. It features advanced simulations for smoke, fire, fluids, cloth, hair, and realistic physics, while also providing full 2D animation tools through the grease pencil system. Blender includes a complete video editor for cutting, transitions, color correction, and audio mixing, enabling creators to produce full YouTube videos directly inside the app. With its node-based compositor, users can add visual effects, lighting corrections, and motion graphics without external software. Blender supports motion tracking, camera tracking, and seamless integration of 3D objects into real footage. As a fully integrated all-in-one platform, Blender is used by millions of artists, studios, and developers who need a powerful, completely free solution for professional-grade 3D content creation.